Amazon's just announced a refreshed Kindle Scribe, and while it's not a full-blown successor, it's rocking a new design and some really cool software features. Whether you're already a Kindle fan or just curious, let's dive into what's new and what might surprise you. First up, let's talk about that fresh look. The most noticeable change? The Kindle Scribe now has white borders around the screen instead of black. And depending on how you look at it, it kinda gives off the illusion that the display stretches from edge to edge. Plus, the left bezel is looking slimmer, which gives the whole device a sleeker, more refined feel. The display is still 10.2 inches, with that super crisp 300 ppi resolution we're used to. But what really stands out is how much smoother the experience feels. If you felt any lag in the previous model, Amazon seems to have tackled that. The gap between the glass and the e-ink surface is smaller, so writing and interacting with the screen feels more immediate, and honestly, more satisfying. Now, let's talk about the new tools Amazon's packed in. You've got AI-powered notebook features that can refine your notes, summarize them, and even convert your handwritten text into a clean script font. And the new Active Canvas feature? This one's pretty cool. You can now write directly on book pages, and the text will actually wrap around your notes, so everything looks super neat and organized. Another useful set of tools allows you to highlight passages, search specific sections, and even look up words on the fly with the integrated dictionary. Just tap the word, and boom, instant definition. Plus, if you need to jump around the book, accessing the table of contents or the virtual outline makes it super easy to hop between chapters. Now, let's talk about the premium pen. It's been redesigned too, with a customizable shortcut button and a soft tip eraser. It also attaches magnetically to the right side of the Scribe, so no more losing it. One thing to note though, the stylus still isn't pressure sensitive, so if you're hoping for that, it's not here just yet. And for those of you who like to multitask, you can pair Bluetooth headphones, earbuds, or even a wireless speaker to the Scribe and listen to audiobooks or podcasts. But fair warning, the listening experience is pretty basic. It'll get the job done, but it's not going to blow you away. In terms of storage, you've still got options: 16, 32, and 64 gigs, depending on how much space you need. Sadly, no Wi-Fi 6 support yet. But hey, at least the premium pen comes included now. Charging is still limited to 9 watt via USB-C, which isn't the fastest, but it works. And the color options? The refreshed Scribe comes in tungsten, which is basically gray, and a new green shade called Metallic Jade, with a matching stylus. But here's the catch. It starts at $399. That's a bit pricier than last year's model, which was $339, but the 2022 version is still available if you're looking to save a bit of cash. If you're set on the new one, it's available for pre-order now, with a release date set for December 4th. What do you think about the refreshed Kindle Scribe? Are the new features enough to get you excited? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns like this. See you in the next one.